Looking for an affordable way to add Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to your commute? Introducing the 6.8-inch shallow double-DIN multimedia receiver with capacitive touch. Measuring less than 3.5 inches deep, this multimedia receiver can fit into nearly any vehicle with a double DIN opening. The multimedia receiver allows you to safely use your phone on the road with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for hands-free calling, messaging, access to your favorite music apps like Spotify and Pandora, and navigation apps such as Waze or Google Maps without having to reach for your phone. It also offers Bluetooth connectivity for wireless phone connection and audio playback. Adjust volume without taking your hands off the wheel. The multimedia receiver allows for steering wheel control retention, so you can keep your eyes on the road. Customize the display background by selecting one of 3 factory options, or give it a more personal touch and upload 2 of your favorite images or photos. Safety is always a top priority while driving. That's why the multimedia receiver offers a rear camera input with adjustable guidelines. Being able to see what's behind you will make every trip safer. Expand your audio experience with a built-in 13-band EQ, high and low pass filters with built-in crossover, and time alignment. Ready to add tons of great new features to your vehicle? Upgrade to the 6.8-inch touchscreen shallow double-DIN multimedia receiver to make every drive safer and more enjoyable.